when I was offered Dhanno, I was over the moon. It was like one of the biggest things for me. Sajid had told me, I'm going to take you in my next movie. I got the call from Sajid Nadiadwala, opposite John, on par with Asan. We want you, for that role. I really couldn't believe it. Hi, this is Jacqueline Fernandez, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Well, we have this vivacious and very, very stunning Jacqueline Fernandez back on Bollywood Hungama. Pleasure having you back.
Yay! I'm very excited. I love Bollywood Hungama.
Right. This 1000-watt laughter that you have, what is the secret to that? Since the first interview that we did, in fact, the first interview that Jacqueline has done ever on electronic media in India is for Bollywood Hungama. I remind it each time. All right. So, Tabhi, we had witnessed this 1000-watt laughter. What is the secret to this?
I don't know. You just make me laugh so much.
I make you laugh?
Yeah. I think it's you. I'm not like this in every interview,
Acha. So that is a big, big compliment, obviously.
Yeah, that's why I get very excited about doing this interview.
That is great. All right, when you're seeing the promos of Houseful 2, interesting sort of transition that you're making over there.
Yeah.
The entire song and dance and the entire projection and all. So you're happy with the way things are going?
Very happy. I think, I couldn't have asked for a better next movie after Murder 2, because it's, I did face a lot of stereotyping, after Murder 2 with the kind of offers I was getting. And I was just so glad that, I had something like Houseful 2 to kind of change things around. And I think that's really important for an actor, actress, because if you're not lucky enough to grab that next movie, which would show you in a different light, it can go on forever. So that's why I feel the transition is great. Showing me in a different light is great. The change of genre is great for me. And I think I was just very lucky, that Houseful 2 was offered to me shortly after Murder 2. And, I think it just really will do wonders.
You've done a Dhanno for Houseful, and now you're doing a full-fledged role for Houseful 2. So Sajid Khan seems to get the best out of you, in fact.
Well, it's honestly, when I was offered Dhanno, I was over the moon. It was like one of the biggest things for me at that time.
Sure.
And I was part of Houseful 1, which was like this huge movie, and I was in awe of it. And Ritesh always used to come back and tell me how much fun they've had and what a big scale movie it is. And everyone had those letters on their first day of shooting. Welcome to the biggest
letters.
Welcome to the biggest hit of your career. And I was like, I want that. I wanted that so badly. So when I was called for the item song, I was like over the moon. And it was from that time actually that I was told, Sajid had told me, I'm going to take you in my next movie. And honestly, I thought that, okay, that's really sweet of him, but I've heard a lot of promises, being in this industry, and people say a lot of things that they don't mean and that they can't follow through with. And I got the call from Sajid Nadiadwala. I was with Sujoy at that time. We were in Kolkata, and I was like, wait a minute, I really don't believe this. You want me to do a cameo? You want me to do a small, what kind of role is it? She's like, no, it's the lead role, opposite John, on par with Asan. We want you, for that role. And I was like, I really couldn't believe it. I really just, I think I was in shock for a long time. And Sujoy was there to celebrate with me. So it was a really, really, really amazing announcement.
You've always had the looks, in fact, and especially when we see the movie, when we see the promos of Houseful 2, I think somehow, entirely as a viewer, I think you're fitting into the context quite well.
Awesome, thank you.
All the sea beach songs and all
that's
that
my favorite.
jazz and all.
That's actually my favorite.
Different from what you've done earlier, in fact.
Yes, it is. I think it's kind of, taking me back to maybe not so much the Aladdin, I think Jaane Kahan Se Aaye Hai, where, just the fun kind of like girl next door, laid back, kind of, chilled out role and character, and I think, it's so important, and we as actors as well always look for the opportunity to give a variation, to change things up a bit. It's really unfortunate though that a lot of the times you get slotted, and people don't give you that opportunity. They don't give you that chance, and you're just like, God, I'm an actor. I can do things. I can perform differently. I don't have to always perform the same kind of role that you've seen me in. So, I think just, being part of this movie and just kind of like letting your creative juices flow, I think it's such a treat for an actor.
Do you feel happy for Sujoy Ghosh after Kahani?
Yes, absolutely. I think it's just like it's a huge thing. It's a huge thing to celebrate. And I know how hard he worked on that movie, and I know he put like heart, soul, sweat, blood, tears, everything into that movie. And I think that's Sujoy in his truest sense, Kahani. And we were very, very happy for him.